Poor quality of data can seriously harm your business. It can lead to bad analysis, or even worse, bad business decisions. My name is Kevin Wei. I'm a product manager on the data integration team for IBM Data and AI. I'll be showing you how to standardize your data in IBM DataStage Flow Designer. As an exercise, let's suppose we are analysts at a fictitious company called Raviga. Raviga is a financial services company, and we want to identify where our customers are making transactions. As analysts, we have access to a CSV file that contains two columns: transaction IDs and the corresponding zip codes where those transactions were made. Unfortunately, this CSV file has some missing and duplicate zip codes. But with DataStage Flow Designer, we can fix that right in our web browser. To get started, we'll create a new job. On the left-hand side is the palette containing many connectors and stages that we can use. The CSV file we need to clean up is located on IBM Cloud Object Storage, so we'll drag and drop that connector onto our blank canvas. But if we ever need to, we can actually contact the DataStage team to build new sources. Let's first get rid of the missing zip codes. We can use the filter stage to accomplish that. To connect the stages, simply draw an arrow from one to the other. As for the duplicate zip codes, the remove duplicate stage will take care of that. We'll complete our flow by adding our target, which in this case is going to be IBM Cloud Object Storage. First, we'll double-click on the source node to fill in the necessary credentials to access the CSV file. Clicking on the Outputs tab, we can create, import, or edit table definitions. In this case, we'll manually add new columns, indicate their types, and specify that the columns can contain null values. Now, we'll double-click on the filter stage to access its details. Using a where clause, we can filter out every row that doesn't have a zip code. Zip code is not null. Okay. Next, let's get rid of the rows that contain the same zip code. In the remove duplicate stage, we can specify the zip code column as the one whose duplicates we want to remove. We'll also specify that we want to retain just the first instance of the zip code we encounter. Any subsequent duplicates will be removed. Finally, we'll tell our job to send the cleaned up CSV to Cloud Object Storage. Now, we'll save and compile our job. Oops, it looks like we forgot something. No worries. By hovering our mouse over the highlighted stage, it looks like we didn't set a file name. We'll tell our target we want to save this cleaned up CSV file as raviga_result.csv. Let's save this again, compile, and run. Now, let's go to our target. We've cleaned up Raviga's data by removing the missing and duplicate zip codes. All accomplished right in our web browser with IBM DataStage Flow Designer. Thanks for your time. And to learn more or to talk directly with an expert, look up IBM DataStage and visit our website.